Some days feel heavier than others, and sometimes life stacks those days one after another until you forget what ease even feels like. If that has been your reality lately, then this moment is not random. This video titled, "If You're Seeing This, It's Exactly When You Were Meant to," showed up now for a reason. We are going to walk through a clear, grounded way of thinking that helps you stay centered and keep moving even when the world feels loud, uncertain, or overwhelming. Settle in with us, because what you hear today might be exactly what your mind has been searching for. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's begin. The signal you needed? To start this, think about how strange it is that out of millions of videos online, this is the one that showed up in front of you right now. People call it timing, luck, or algorithms, but sometimes it feels much more intentional than that. When life gets confusing or heavy, the right message has a strange way of showing up. Maybe you clicked without thinking, or maybe something in the title pulled you in. Either way, a part of you is ready for a shift, even if you have not been able to say that out loud. If you have been moving through a season where everything feels slightly off or heavier than usual, your mind naturally begins searching for some kind of direction. That is why certain messages hit so deeply. They do not solve the problem, but they remind you that you are not drifting without purpose. Sometimes, all you need is a moment that pulls you back to yourself, a reminder that you are still capable of moving forward. What if this message is that reminder? What if this is the moment that helps you take your next step with more clarity and less pressure? The timing of this video appearing right now might not be an accident. Sometimes the signal you need shows up before you fully understand why you needed it. You are here, and that says something about what you are ready for. The power of staying steady. From here, we shift to one idea that quietly shapes the entire direction of your life. It is the ability to stay steady even when nothing around you feels steady at all. Most people wait for things to get better before they allow themselves to feel grounded. They wait for good news, perfect timing, or a sign that everything is going to work out. But life will not always give you those moments. There will be days when nothing feels aligned. There will be mornings when you wake up with no energy, no motivation, and no clear reason for the mood you are in. This is where emotional strength begins. If you can feel bad for no reason, then you can also choose to feel calm for no reason. You can choose to shift your energy even when the external world stays the same. That ability puts you ahead in ways most people never notice. It means you are not depending on outside events to feel okay. You can build stability from the inside, and that skill becomes a foundation for everything that comes next. People are constantly searching online for how to stay disciplined, how to reset their mind, how to stop spiraling. The answer often starts here. Stability is not something life hands you. It is something you create through small, intentional choices. And when you learn that, your entire approach to hard days begins to change. Understanding the rhythm of hard seasons. Most of us get stuck because we believe hard days mean we are failing. When life feels heavy, our first instinct is to assume something is wrong with us. But if you look at your last 100 days, only a handful of them were truly great. Most were average. Some were difficult. That rhythm is normal. That rhythm is human. Nothing is broken. Nothing is wrong with you. You only recognize your best days because the hard ones exist. You only feel joy because you have known discomfort. That contrast is what gives life shape. Once you understand this, the pressure you put on yourself starts to lighten. You stop asking why you feel low and start recognizing that these moments are part of the natural cycle of being alive. This shift changes everything. When you stop treating a bad day like a personal failure, it loses its power over you. You no longer spiral into everything is falling apart. Instead, you see it for what it is, One rough day in a much bigger picture. And that perspective is what helps people breathe again when they feel stuck. It is also why this type of content performs so well online. People are desperate for a simple explanation that reminds them their feelings are valid and temporary. Reframing the story you tell yourself. Once you understand that hard seasons are normal, you can start to change the meaning you attach to them. Most people think life has to get easier before they can move forward. But the real transformation begins when you decide what this moment means for you. When you shift your interpretation, everything around you slowly adjusts. When something painful happens, the mind quickly jumps to questions like, why me? Or what did I do wrong? But there is a better question that creates momentum instead of guilt. How can this experience shape you into someone stronger, clearer, or more grounded later on? That question turns pain into progress. It turns confusion into insight. It turns a setback into a chapter instead of a dead end. People go to YouTube every day searching for meaning. They want reassurance that the hard things they carry are not pointless. They want to feel like their struggle matters. That is why this reframe holds attention. When you show someone how to reinterpret their experience, they stay with you because the message aligns with what they feel deep inside. When life hits without warning, no matter how much stability you build, life will always bring moments that hit fast and hit hard. The kind of moments that change your plans in seconds. There's a story about a man who was told he owed a multi-8-figure bill and had only 72 hours to pay it in cash. No time to prepare, no time to plan, just a blow that could crush anyone's peace. Situations like that remind us that control is fragile. You can do everything right and still face a moment that shakes your entire world. But how you respond to those moments decides your direction more than the event itself. In his case, he paused and asked one question. Did this loss change the core of his life? Did it affect where he slept, what he ate, or who he cared about? The answer was no. The only thing that changed was the story he was telling himself. That realization helped him step out of panic and move toward clarity. It ties back to a powerful thought from Marcus Aurelius. What are you truly afraid of losing when nothing in this world actually belongs to you? That line is not meant to scare you. It is meant to give you back your power. When everything feels like it is collapsing, this perspective helps you breathe again and see what matters most. Building one good day at a time. In heavy seasons, good days start to feel rare. Time stretches, problems feel bigger. Everything seems slower. That is why building one good day at a time becomes such a powerful reset. You do not need a perfect week or a massive breakthrough. You just need one day where you show up for yourself in a small but intentional way. A good day is not built by doing everything right. It is created through simple actions that bring you back into the present. Eat with people you enjoy. Move your body. Write something. These 3 actions sound small, but they carry enough momentum to break the cycle of feeling stuck. One good day becomes 2. 2 become 5. Suddenly, the week feels lighter, not because everything changed, but because you changed how you moved through it. This is why topics like how to reset your life and how to start again trend so well on YouTube. People want a way to rebuild without feeling overwhelmed. And this simple daily formula gives them something real to follow, enduring what most people quit. There is a quiet skill that successful people rarely talk about, the ability to endure what others walk away from. Mental toughness is not about being emotionless or unbreakable. It is about choosing to stay in the game when your mind is telling you to step out. Most people look for shortcuts. They tap out when things get boring, repetitive, or uncomfortable. They tell themselves it is bad timing or lack of motivation. But the difference between the people who move forward and the people who stay stuck often comes down to one small choice. Do you stop when it gets hard, or do you go one more round? That extra rep, that extra hour, that extra attempt. It is rarely glamorous, but it is what creates the gap between those who grow and those who stand still. If you can push through the moments that drain your energy or test your patience, you enter a group that is much smaller than you think. That is where real mental strength is built, quietly and consistently. Zooming out to regain perspective, everything comes together when you learn how to zoom out. When you step back far enough, problems that felt huge 20 minutes ago suddenly shrink. This is the heart of the veteran frame, the cosmic frame, and the grandfather frame. Each one shifts how you see your situation and reminds you that this moment will not last forever. The veteran frame asks one simple question. If this exact problem happened to you 1,000 times in a row, how would you feel about it on the 1,000th time? Almost always, the answer is that you would not care anymore. You would handle it without fear. You would treat it like something normal, which means the stress you feel today is a reaction, not a requirement. You can choose a different one. Seeing your life from a wider angle does not erase your problems. It helps you stop carrying them like they define you. It gives you enough space to think clearly and respond with intention instead of panic. If you made it this far, then something in this message was meant for you. Take whatever resonated and bring it into your next day. And if you want to share what part hit you the most, drop a comment because we would love to hear it. If you are new to Luxo-Life, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next upload. Thanks for being here, Luxo lovers. We will see you in the next video.